I'll make a brand new start of it in old New York.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you too. That was the quickest check-in. Domestic flights are completely different than international flights for sure.
I see them today. New York.
Just made it to New York. I'm in the bathroom. My friend from Boston just flew in at the same time as me, so I'm gonna wait for him and then we're gonna take a cab together to the city. So excited. First meal in New York, and we're getting udon from Udon West. I'm so excited. I'm so excited.
Yeah.
So it's my second day in the city. Super windy, very cold. Okay. Oh, so windy. We're getting pho noodles.
It's special pho.
It's special pho. It looked really good. Doesn't this sound just remind you of New York City? The siren. I think
I'm not gonna comment on that one. The sun's nice though.
Yeah, the sun's really nice today.
jelly, ocean frog, yellow fluke, marinated with seaweed, amberjack, Spanish mackerel, golden eye snapper.
Guys, so right now I'm about to get in my Uber and I'm gonna go meet the people at Ana Luisa who I'm working with to create my jewelry piece. My Uber should be just down the street.
I think that's the most important thing for...
Hello.
Hi, Michelle?
Yeah. It's so cute.
Even the guys at the office, they would love to have it. Yeah, it's essential. The jeweler, yeah, can edit the product, they can see that.
Thank you. Bye. I'm back at home. I'm in my Uber to go to my meet and greet. I'm very nervous. I've done this many times now, but I still get nervous when I go to meet and greets. But yeah, I feel like we're running a little bit late, but we should be okay. And I'm bringing my friend Kate. She's working behind the camera. Feel my heartbeat? Oh my god. People are probably not. Hi. Comment. I
If you will tell me I'm the only one that you love, life could be a dream.
All my legs.
I'll make a brand new start of it in old New York.
So right now I am walking to B&H because I want a new camera. And I've always heard about B&H online, but they're based here in New York, so I'm gonna go check it out. It's so cold. B&H. I'm about to buy a new camera. Switch in up direction and what? All right, let's go. Oh my god. Today's menu is going to be curry. One of the things that I miss the most being here in New York is home-cooked food. And luckily, my buddy over here, awesome chef, awesome. So I'm gonna teach him a few dishes that I know.
Oh my god.
So we're excited. We're gonna head to Whole Foods right now. Okay, this is embarrassing. I didn't even realize.
God sweating.
What else do we need?
I'll go around that way.
What else do we need?
I need some beef right now.
I'm leaving today.
Are you ready? Are you done?
Oh, I gotta grab a few limes.
Take a look at this. How does it taste?
It's good.
Just good?
Do you put cumin in here?
Oh yeah.
Why don't you cook for yourself all the time, bro?
I do. What are you talking about?
No.
I'm always making salads, like quinoa bowls, like.
Yeah, little salads for sure. But like dinners, we should do this. Michelle, come by more often. Pretty, like, heavy.